How did US Immigration Acts impact Latino families? Imagine a story where laws shape the lives of millions, guiding their hopes, fears, and futures. That story is about how US Immigration Acts have changed the lives of Latino families over the years. These laws have opened doors for some and created barriers for others, affecting family unity, legal status, and access to opportunities. Starting with the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1952, this law created visa categories for temporary workers, including farm workers from Latin America. It also made family reunification a key goal, allowing relatives of US citizens to come to the country more easily. But it also set quotas that limited how many could immigrate from Latin America each year. Then came the Immigration Act of 1965, which removed many of those quotas for close family members. This change made it easier for Latino families to sponsor spouses, children, and parents, leading to a rise in family-based immigration from Latin America. In 1986, the Immigration Reform and Control Act offered a path to legal status for about 3 million undocumented immigrants, most of Hispanic origin. This law helped many Latino families gain protection from deportation and access to better jobs and services. However, it also increased border enforcement and penalties for employers hiring undocumented workers, making the environment more challenging for those without legal status. The 1996 Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigrant Responsibility Act introduced stricter rules. It imposed longer bans on reentry for those who overstayed visas or entered without permission. It also expanded grounds for deportation to include minor crimes, which put many Latino families at risk of separation through removal. More recent policies have continued to influence Latino families. Increased enforcement and local law enforcement authority have created fear and instability in communities. Programs like the ending of temporary protected status for some Central American countries have put families at risk of losing legal protections. Overall, these laws have helped many Latino families reunite and gain legal status, but they have also increased enforcement and deportation risks. Knowing this history helps families understand their rights and options. Staying informed about eligibility for legal programs, seeking legal help when needed, and using community resources can make a big difference. Being aware of how laws have shaped their lives allows Latino families to make smarter choices and find support when they need it most.